What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing guys a brand new video. We're gonna be doing a mid fade on my little brother, so stay tuned. We're starting off with our gold FX and we're creating our first guideline contouring to his head shape. When I recorded this haircut, we previously cut his hair with some old school clippers, so we're not gonna be balding out the back completely. We're leaving that fade part. So this is the fade we did with the manual clippers from 1901. I hope you guys enjoy it. It was a pretty fun video to make. My hands started hurting at the end, well, pretty much during the haircut. The link's gonna be in the description below, so check it out. Now that we're done balding them out, we can move on to our no guard all the way open and create our second guideline. Using the lever all the way closed and midway will help you erase that initial guideline. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated, man. Thank you. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we can move on to the one guard all the way open and create our third guideline. Don't forget to use the comb to feed the hair into the clipper. With this same guard, you're going to use the lever to soften up the line and get it ready for the half guard. Now we're going to move on to the half guard and erase the line completely. Don't forget to use your lever. Here I'm using my no guard all the way open and I'm using the raking technique. That's when I tilt the clipper at a 90-degree angle and use the length of the teeth of the clipper to fade. Now we can move on to our two guard all the way open, using our comb to feed the hair into the clipper. We're going to use the lever to soften up this line and get it ready for the 1.5 guard. Now that we're done softening up the line, we can move on to our 1.5 guard and erase the line completely. Sometimes the line doesn't come out after you're done using your lever, so switching over to the one guard all the way open will help you remove that darkness. Now we're moving on to the 3 guard all the way open, and we're continuing to use our comb to feed the hair into the clipper. You want to make sure once you're nearing the silhouette area not to cut into it. Moving on to our clipper oval comb method, we started horizontally debulking and then we going vertically blending the fade. Now we're moving on to our C-cups. I usually start off at the bottom and work my way to the top arch. I feel like that's the best way to get a nice curve. You can slowly feed the hair into the trimmer, especially when you have a trimmer that isn't as strong. You can start off at the bottom and just cut into it. Now that we're done with the sides, we can move on to the back. I'm starting off with my 2 guard all the way open and we're debulking. Now we're moving on to our no guard all the way open, creating our second guideline. Using your lever all the way closed and midway will help you erase that initial guideline. Now we're moving on to the 1 guard all the way open and we're creating our third guideline. Remember, we're going to use the same guard and the lever to soften up this line and get it ready for the half guard. Now we switched over to the half guard and we're erasing the line completely. We are near the occipital bone, so we are going to spend some more time here in detail. Since we're done with our 2 guard all the way open, we can move on to our 1.5 guard and erase the line completely. Now we're near the cowlick area, so we're going to use our clipper over comb method. We started off going horizontally, debulking, and then we eventually started going vertically, blending the fade. Make sure you're very careful when you're here, because it is the cowlick area. You don't want to cut into it and make a hole, or have hair sticking out. Now we're going to saturate the hair and get it ready for a little trim. I always start off by making my first guideline through the middle and working my way to the sides. I keep my brother's hairline natural and I do a fringe just because I don't want to mess up his hairline while he's young. As you can see here, I'm starting to connect the guideline to the sides. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, leave a comment down below if you made it this far into the video. I'm definitely going to reply to it. I'm here, man. Thank you, man. Thank you. I hope you guys are liking the cut. It does have a manual fade on there, a little taper, manual taper, plus the fade with the gammas. A little detail with shears. It's not bad, man, not bad.